Welcome to the BD Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today, we'll discover the magic of crafting your own slide transitions with CapCut. Get ready to add that extra touch of magic to your videos. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Let's start the tutorial. I have imported two images, one of a hand, and the other of a vertical line. Both of them have a green screen background. You can create such images using any photo editor. However, I have also included a link to these images in the video description. I have also imported some video footage. Add any one of the videos to the timeline. First, add the hand image to the timeline. Enable the chroma key from the cutout option. Use the color picker and select the green color from the image. Increase the strength value until the green color is removed. Move the playhead at the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. Set the position of the hand image left side accordingly. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds duration. Move the position of the image to the right side. At this point, it should be out of the screen. Add the vertical line image to the timeline. Remove the green screen using the chroma key. Follow the same procedure applied in the previous green screen. Move the playhead at the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. Set the position of the vertical line left side accordingly. The hand and vertical line position should look like this. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds duration. Move the vertical line to the right side, and move it out of the screen. Here vertical line image is moving faster than the hand image. So we have to fix this issue. Select the second keyframe of the hand image. Set the position of the hand as shown in the video. Select the second keyframe of the vertical line image. Set the position of the vertical line as shown in the video. Now at the second keyframe position, we have to move both images right side out of the screen. If you play it will look like this. Add a video to the timeline. Move the playhead at the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. Move the video left side as shown in the tutorial. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds duration. Select the video, and move it to the center. At this point, the X position of the video should be 0. Select the top 3 videos and forward them a few frames. Let's add one more video. Reduce the size of the below track video up to the green screen image. Split the top track video at the endpoint of the green screen. Move the split clip to the below track. Copy both the green screens and paste them to the same timeline. Adjust the size of the second video of the below track. Add another video to the top video track. Keep in mind that the starting point of all videos must be the same here. Keep the playhead at the starting point of the second video. Add the first keyframe to the position. Forward the playhead at the 3-second duration of the second video. Add the second keyframe to the position. Move the playhead to the starting point of the second video, and select the first keyframe. At this point, move the video left side accordingly. Using the same technique, you can add more videos. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.